QSI Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the next 1 minute, so watch till the end. Another decent increase of around freaking 30% almost, but that's quite sick because it's the same way that I was talking about KUBT. Finally started seeing the first break, and once I see the shift, not only like swing, I can take things up, but also like intraday trades can now be biased towards the bullish side because now we're on the right side of the market, on the right direction, right? Obviously, I'm going to stick to something that I've tested for 37,000 videos that I've done over the last 4.5 years, and they have all the proof to document what's working, what's not, right? So you don't have to go through the same mistakes like I did and invest 5 figures in courses and mentors like I did. So with this specifically, yeah, upcoming next few days, very open-minded for longs. As long as I see a little pull down and a shift, then you know where to find me, obviously alongside. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.